If the one main cause of social media and internet-based ideologies is a democratization of the court of opinion, then the erosion of trust is its effect. An accidental effect. You be the judge. Information is everywhere today, so where should we look for the most trustworthy, the most up-to-date? Are the old bulwarks still up to the job? Naturally, amidst uncertainty, purveyors of disinformation and distortion run rampant and the media industry, therefore, is facing a trust crisis. Enter stage left, blockchain technology. In July, the New York Times unveiled a project which aimed to utilize a blockchain to tackle misinformation in publishing. There is a gap between the vast amount of information news organizations possess about the media to publish and the subset of that information to which their users have ready access, the company wrote at the time. Into the gap, trolls and bad actors have established many tools for misleading people. The problem is that the blockchain industry is facing a similar crisis of trust. Whereas 2017 was the year of giddy excitement amid booming ICOs, and 2018 the come down as reality bit back, 2019 was something of a year of consolidation. Ultimately, those both spearheading the technology and at the forefront of industries set to benefit from it, have to decide what they want. Chris Bestwick, left, member of the Board of Advisors at the Global Innovation Institute, GINI, and an accepted authority on strategy, leadership and culture, put it in a recent post that blockchain was ready to leave its infancy and what it does now will make or break its future. Blockchain is a piece of technology that enables you to trust something more than you ordinarily would do, Bestwick tells the blog. In the age with fake news and media, there is this real issue around trust at the moment, which I don't think is going to go away anytime soon. Whether it is trust in the boardroom because of leadership indiscretions, massive bonuses in the face of companies going bust, the whole concept of trust is being reevaluated, and blockchain at least gives us a way of trying to rebuild trust in a way that not many other technologies do. Heads. Bestwick sees trust eroding in other areas. Having built and sold companies through 15 years in industrial design, and having spent more than a decade in speaking, teaching and advising companies and entrepreneurs, the lengthy list of attributions has been built through hard graft. Yet what is to stop someone slapping words such as leadership and innovation on their LinkedIn profile, rushing off a few slipshod words of wisdom, usually someone else's wisdom at that entire thing about the time? Every man and his dog in some way, shape or form will tell you that they are an innovation expert or an innovation guru, notes Bestwick. The challenge is the industry has ballooned so big and so fast that the majority of people in this space don't really have the expertise that they purport to have. If you might otherwise have turned off from a discussion around strategy and innovation because you've heard it all before, the chance are you've heard all the wrong things before. Most corporates are still to them. You can read full post on Cryptophans News, link available in text below.